Hello, beautiful audience. We are so glad to bring you these updates as soon as we could. Yes, we are taking you guys live to the Overpass bridge that is under construction in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And guys, it is so interesting because to see this project coming to completion is something that truly gives joy. It's one thing to start a project and it is another thing to get that project finished. But the truth remains that this administration has actually made it so simple. Like, it has made it to look very easy to start and finish projects, and it's something to be happy about. As you all know, this project, we started covering it from the scratch, from the foundations when it all started, and within a very short time, guys, as you can see already, the beams are all heading up. Yes, all the beams are heading up. It's just remaining a very few beams on the ground. And as I'm talking to you, it is so interesting to see that we have the famous Julius Berger working in this construction site. Yes, the famous Julius Berger construction company are working in conjunction with GELD construction company, and this is the first time we would see Julius Berger working in Anambra State, Nigeria. And this is made possible, yes, because the Anambra State government has really made it very, very serious to see that project fundings are going on without obstruction. Yes, you would see most of the projects that are going on in Anambra State are being funded properly without any obstruction, and that is the reason why you would see most of these projects progressing rapidly to the extent of coming to completion even at the designated times. Yes, so people will come and tell you that these projects are not being completed at designated times, but I must tell you, you don't have the facts. You really need to go have the facts and understand that these projects you are seeing are truly progressively at this designated time, and before you know it, they would complete this overpass bridge. Yes, at that other end is the one that comes from Ifitoka. Yes, that other end you are seeing there, that's the one that comes from Ifitoka. Okay, so it's going to connect Ifitoka with Amenyi Awka. So guys, I would love to hear from you, your thoughts, your recommendations, your advices, whatever it is you have to say about this project. Please do share with us on the comment section. And if you also know things that we don't know about this project, please, we would love to hear from you, and also share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. And just in case you are new to this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV. Please do well to subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. We are live at the Overpass bridge at Aroma in Awka. Guys, this is what is going on at this construction site at the moment. And if you look around this place, you will notice that a diversion was made here. Yes, they blocked the other lane where they are lifting the beam so that vehicles will not be able to use there for their own safety. So they diverted the road at this point. It is a one-way from this particular point you are seeing here. You can see vehicles from the other lane are diverting to this lane so as to be able to finish up the other beams that are fixing on the other lane. So the beams on this particular side of the lane has been fixed completely. So it's remaining this lane you are seeing here down this side. So they will be completing this side probably by tomorrow. So it is so good. It is so good to see such a thing happening in Anambra State in this manner. Over here you can see the slabs. These are the slabs that will be used to fix the bridge by the time they are done lifting the beams. We are so happy. We are so glad to see such a thing happening in Anambra State within a very short time. The thing is that Anambra State as a state is a construction site, and at the same time Anambra is transforming massively within a very short time. I must tell you guys the way it is. Anambra is truly transforming rapidly. Also, I would love the Anambra State government to look into this Regina junction over here. You can see people are crossing this road in large numbers. Please, even though if you cannot have an overpass bridge here, let's have a pedestrian bridge. It will really help to safeguard the lives of people on this particular expressway. Thank you so much and bye.